On Indiana highways, construction is constant. Safety is paramount,
I don't remember too much because it happened so fast.
especially for construction workers like James Hobson.
We stopped and we was in park.
In an open bed truck on I-465 westbound near mile marker 3 in Marion County, picking up orange barrels.
We both was on the back of the truck, and I literally just went to get down to get a ring. And when I went to swing onto the barrel, next thing you know, I'm on the shoulder.
A close call. This is video of the aftermath. State police charged the driver of this Dodge Ram with serious bodily injury when operating a vehicle while intoxicated, a felony. Police say the driver slammed into the back of the construction vehicle with so much force it propelled Hobson and his co-worker into the air and onto the ground.
And then my basic instinct was to basically just jump over the guardrail just to basically get out of Dodge.
Hobson remembers the driver laying on the ground next to him.
Basically asking us, hey, is everybody all right? He bent over me because I was laying down on my back, and I could actually smell alcohol on his breath. Once I smelled that, I kind of got mad because, like, come on.
Hobson says this isn't the first and unfortunately won't be the last incident.
It still hurts every now and again, like to a painful extent. Thankfully, I had no broken bones, but it definitely could have been a lot worse. Like, I could not be sitting here talking to you right now.
In Marion County, Karen Campbell, 13 News.